Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding Ethereum Classic, ticker symbol ETC. So I'm going to start with the coin market cap. So where we are sitting currently, because currently at the time of the recording, we are sitting at number 18 Ethereum Classic based on the market cap. The market cap is 8.8 billion, whereas Bitcoin is 717 billion and Ethereum is 316. And one thing I want to mention that people are investing more on Ethereum Classic and other one which has a less market cap because it could be easy to double the market cap. Whereas Ethereum, I'm still bullish, the price target is 10,000, but again, from this price to double, it takes more. From 316 to double its price, it needs to go to 650. So people are buying some other coins which has lower market cap and it is easy. So also, like, I want to show an article that Ethereum Classic and Polygon skyrocket as Ethereum Plus trend continues. So same thing, like anything on the Ethereum Plus, this thing continues. And you see the Polygon here, this is the other one. And the recent news came that Mark Cuban invest in Ethereum layer to Polygon. Anyway, I'm not talking about Polygon, this is all about Ethereum Classic. So let's go to Ethereum Classic. Just want to show you a couple of things before I talk. So in this particular video, I will talk about the price action, why I'm bullish, what is happening, and also what is the price target for Ethereum Classic, also the support and resistance, and at what point you should buy or sell or should you hold for long term. So looking at the chart, first of all, like let's look at like last 1 month. We can see we had an insane run up, then we were coming down. Seems like we have found a bottom. So you see it like the double bottom here, right? Then now we are going up and now moving sideways, which looks really good. And especially for last 7 days, if we can see, the price is moving sideways, which is not that crazy, which is also looking good. Also look at the volume, some volume came, and then even though the volume came down, but the price is stable, so which is good for this particular coin. Also look at the volume here. The price here is only minus 2.7% within last 24 hours. At the same time, the volume is less 19%, but even though with less volume, you can see the price is stable, which looks also good. And whenever more volume will come, I think this thing will push higher and higher. Let's look at a 1 hour chart here. So you see the candles here, and the blue line I drew in my last video, and it was in a downtrend, and I was talking that when we will break the trend, when we will go on the other side of the blue line, it means we have broken the downtrend. And at that point, when it was $62, it broke the downtrend, then it went higher. But we found a resistance around $75 to $80, and now we are moving sideways. It is very important to maintain that particular area or go above that one. So we need to break this particular resistance in order to go higher. If we can't, we might come down. I will come back to this technical analysis again, showing you the support and resistance. But before that, I want to show you some other thing why I am bullish on Ethereum Classic. And by the way, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I want to show you a couple of things, probably you know, which is called hash rate. So normally hash rate is when more and more people are mining that particular coin, the hash rate goes up. Just looking at Bitcoin, you can see the Bitcoin price came down and people started less mining, it came down, and again we know Bitcoin went up and again hash rate went up, again came down. So hash rate is the one kind of indicator that how many people are mining, and we know the volatility, the correction in Bitcoin price, and you can see a change in hash rate for Bitcoin. I'm going to also show you for Ethereum. You can see the hash rate for Ethereum here. It goes up, comes down, and it's a rally goes up. And I can also zoom here, so you can see it went up and it's stable. But in order to compare with ETC, I think I'm gonna use 2miners.com. So on a monthly basis, you can see that the hash rate actually is almost the same, even though we know Ethereum had a massive correction, almost 50%, but people are mining because they are very bullish on Ethereum and they are saying this is the next Bitcoin, because at one point it will go over Bitcoin and they have a price target of 10,000. So just look at the hash rate. So even we saw a correction, but you see on a month is moving sideways, on a week it is moving sideways, on a day it is moving sideways. So Ethereum is almost constant. On the other hand, if you look at Ethereum Classic, look what happened. On a month we went up and we are moving sideways. So it means that more and more people are bullish, and even though there was a drop in the price of the coin, but still it is moving sideways. Look at the wick, it is moving sideways. Even on a day it is moving sideways. So 2070 hash per second, which is really high, and for this high number it is very hard to get a 51% attack, because now this is more secured. So look at 27 for the Ethereum, it is way higher, but it makes sense, right? But anyway, just wanted to show you what is happening with Bitcoin. You can see it came down and it is struggling. On the other hand, Ethereum, and both Ethereum Classic, it is moving sideways, meaning that more and more people are mining. Even though more people mine, your reward will be less, but still people are mining because they know the Ethereum Classic price will go higher. Even though more people are mining, their share will be less, but if Ethereum Classic price goes higher, then just because of less share they will get more money. So they are not discouraged for mining, right? So this is one thing I wanted to show you before I talk about the price prediction. Now I was looking for different articles. So one article says ETC price prediction, more upside possible. It's saying that in the near term the coin may keep falling as bulls target 50% retracement. It come to 90. If it moves above that, it can come to 38.2% from the high, and it can become 110. On the flip side, it can also come down to 70. It was all looking at the retracement. So you can see some numbers: 90, 100, on the bear side 70. Let's look at the other one. So this is the crypto lot. It talks about another thing. Crypto ETC is mineable coin that is presently priced at $74 and has the market potential of 8.6 billion, which puts it on the 20th place. Currently it is 18 anyway. So the current available supply of Ethereum Classic is 116 million coins. This is important because the supply of the total Ethereum Classic is fixed. It's not gonna increase. You can see here on December 2017, the total supply of Ether on Ethereum Classic was hard capped. So the supply is fixed. Keep that in mind, at 210 million ETC via the Gotham hard fork upgrade. So 210 million ETC, and currently this is 116 million. So it's still like there is more upside, right? That is why it is important to the grasp of the projected change in supply. So the supply is still more to come to properly circulate future market capitalization, and hence the future price of the cryptocurrency under review. So we know the total is like 210 million and it is 116, so more like doubling coin. So supply, but end of the day the supply is fixed. This is important. Now let's look at some other things. The Gov, what they're called Gov Capital, right? So based on the 274 price today, so their 1 year ETC forecast is $86 and 5 year ETC target is $175. So almost doubling your money, but they are on the bearish side. The other one I found, digital coin, they are very good. Just looking at the price, because end of the year they are saying 118, by 2025 230, and by 2028 343 USD, almost 5 times from the current price. And lastly, another article, how far can ETC go after the crypto crash, and it talks about so many things, but it summarizes everything here. So the economic forecast agency, so it's 97 this year, and 94, 97. Then a digital coin price, they're talking about 120. Then there is another investor, they are saying 66. So you can see that like the price target is up and down, and again this is cryptocurrency, very volatile. It can go 50% within the same day and come down. So you need to have a really good stomach. If you believe in a cryptocurrency, then buy and hold. Do not get disturbed with the volatility if it comes down, and if you believe, buy more. That's the only thing I want to say about any cryptocurrency. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you buy or sell any cryptocurrency or any stock, but it is very volatile. Keep that in mind. I will be back very soon to the charts where I want to talk about the support and resistance. The other one, again, FX Street, it talks about ETC seems overextended, 40% crash incoming. So you see some people say about good things, some people say about bad things, but they're saying that ETC price has surged 17% in the past 24 hours, slicing through the supply zone, upper limit at 80, blah blah blah, so many talks. But end of the day, it says ETC is currently hovering above the supply zone that extends from 59 to 80. Okay, and if it can go above 80, it's a bullish signal. Okay, now let's go back to the chart. What we can see here. So first of all, I talked about 80s. My line is saying 79.89. So let's say this is 80, right? So if we can go over 80, this is a bullish sign because we are having so many resistance here. And once we break it, I think we will go higher. How high we can go? I think we can go around 100 because you can see that it was a resistance before, then it became a support at some point. So I think 100 would be one resistance. If we go a little higher, I think around 116, 120 in this area, I think there will be another one because it was a support at one point, then it became a resistance at that point. And if it goes even higher, then definitely I think around 130 we will see something, right? Again, another this area 130, 32, you see some resistance. On the flip side, what if it comes down? So this is also important, right? So look at this area. I'm gonna zoom here so you can see better, right? So 79, 80 is one zone and 71 is another area because you can see for some time we are moving between 71 and 79. At the same time, this is important. We need to maintain and we need to consolidate in this area. Once we consolidate, then we break 80 and go higher. But I'm also giving you the other side of the coin so that if it comes down, you need to know at one point you should strike. So another area, I would say around this area, which is 54, 55, because you can see many times it bounced back from 55 area. And also I want to show you this, the other area. You see some kind of consolidation around this area, and also it bounced off of this area a few times around 45. Why I'm showing the bottom support? Because it does not mean that I'm bearish on Ethereum Classic. The only thing is it is volatile. It can come down and maybe within 5 minutes it can come back, and that is why it is important to set some limit buy order. I don't know which app you are using, but I'm using Binance and crypto.com. In Binance I can always set limit buy order, so whenever it comes down I just pick, and after half an hour I see I'm in profit. By the way, the description for various platforms, crypto.com, Binance, BlockFi, Coinbase, all the referral links are in the first comment and also in the description box. If you use the referral link for creating an account, you will get free money. So that's the free money. By the way, free feels good, right? So anyway, so this is the point we are waiting. So currently we are 74. We might come back to 71. As long we are above 71 and 79, I think we are good. If it comes down, it can come back to 54, 55 area again, or 45. It happened, even though we are bullish, but it happened. Keep that in mind. On the other hand, if we cross 80, we will hit 100, 116, 130. These are the important levels you should know before you trade, if you're planning to buy or sell and make some quick profit. Otherwise, if you're a long-term investor, if it comes down, just buy more and more. This is what I'm doing. And while we are talking, I'm just seeing some nice price action on an hourly chart. Not looking bad. As long we are consolidating around this area, I think we are good. Anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk about growth stock, I talk about cryptocurrency, I talk about technical pattern. So this is a place I think you will love it. So give a try, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.